Okay, in this video, we're going to implement AI assistants in chat. Basically, it would be SMS chat, Instagram DMs, Facebook Messenger, and live chat. So let's go and get started. So first things first, we'll log into our Go High Level and go into the sub account we wanted to create this and go into AI assistants. There, I've already created assistant, so I'll select my sales assistant for this. And if you want to assign the sales assistant and want to book appointments through conversationally, first thing first, keep the model GPT-4o. I think that's the best model. I'd decrease the wait time to 3 seconds. Next responses you can adjust, and temperature is 0.25. That's the best temperature it works on. And then tools and abilities, I have given it all the tools to do its job, which is check availability, book appointment, reschedule appointment, cancel. They're pre-made for you, so you don't need to worry about that. You can just assign them through the add tool button. So if you go to add tool, and you can just add those here, and they'll do its job. All right, so now to deploy, we're going to go into active tags and create an active tag. So what is an active tag? Is a way for us to connect these assistants to a tag, and then through that tag, when you apply that tag to a contact, this assistant will start applying to that contact. So I've created one. So for purpose of this, I'm just going to create here, and then you can go and edit it. What I've done is I already created the test active tag here. When we go into edit it, what I'm going to do is I'm going to assign a tag is test underscore tag and hit the plus sign. So I've assigned it an agent. This is I've given it a name so I can recognize it, assigned a sales agent that I want to work with this tag, and then test tag and hit the plus sign. Once with the plus sign, the test tag should come down here and there should be a check mark. So which means now this is ready to go. Save changes. Now I'm going to copy this test tag and then go into my other window where my workflows are. And I'm going to create a workflow from the start. So let's do that. So this will be for live chat. Let's do live chat. So the trigger would be reply. So if a customer replied, and then will filter it out, reply channel, and then live chat. So if a customer replies through live chat, this is what we want to trigger. So first thing we need to understand is before we do anything, we need to go into settings and we need to stop allow reentry, because you don't want to have the same contact enter again and again and keep getting the first message sent to them. Now we will check if this contact is already tagged with AI. So the reason we do it is if AI tag's already on, there's no point having another AI tag on. So I'm going to just rename this condition is this contact tag with AI. And here you can have all your AI tags. So if you're working with multiple AI and tagging different AIs, you can exclude all those tags. So contact details, and then we'll go to tag includes, and then I'm gonna use the test tags because that's a tag I want to exclude here. This is the AI I want to exclude if we are already working with them, right? And if we are not working with anything, then we will start it. So if there's already a tag and AI is interacting with them, we don't want to interact, so we'll stop that. If AI is not interacting, then we will go ahead and then add our tag. So which is we created, which was the test tag, right? So we're going to add this tag to turn the AI on. And based on what we want to do, either we can send a first message or test it out. Will it work without the first message, initial message? Because sometimes with live chat, the AI gets triggered without the first message. So let's test it. So now we have created the workflow. And let's go and create funnel. And so I've created this funnel. I'm going to create a chat widget, which is going to be a live chat widget. So new live chat. and then I'm gonna name it test and hit save. And widget customization, styles. So you can have styles and everything up here. Chat window, additional options. I don't want branding. And yeah, that's you can customize it the way you want. If you are putting this on a different WordPress website or you want to embed it, just get the code. If you're putting on WordPress, you can get it from here. Now we will go back to, we have created this. Now we will go back to our funnels or website. You can put it anywhere. So I'm going to put on this funnel, right? So go into settings and then I'm going to change it to test widget and save. Now let's test it. How does it work and what would it do, right? So let's go and view the page. The widget's there. Let's see. So let's look at our server, what we are getting there. So we go into inbox, we got the guest visitor here, and AI has started responding. Let's have a look here. So that's message added, and then there is a processing. That means AI will start responding. So let's look at the messages now. See, it has populated, and AI has responded, "Hey, this is Ashley, an AI assistant, and how are you doing today?" I am good, and you? So yeah, this is a very simple way to deploy AI live chat. Hopefully this was helpful. Next video we will go through and do SMS chat.